do you think of tummy time? Stuffy nose, huh? Yeah, there's your smile. I see it coming out. Ah, keep that head up, kiddo. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Yes, there you are. You're hanging on pretty well. Don't you pay any attention to that Natalie Portman. She's none of your business. I'm your mommy. I'm supposed to be way more interesting. Huh? Oh, yeah?